Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting and opening all files. This saves time and keeps settings consistent. Once done, use Image Processor to batch open into a new folder. Make sure to save copies as PSD or TIFF for non-destructive work. You want identical color profiles, so check and convert profiles to sRGB or your working space now. This step prevents later shifts. Finally, ensure one image is set as your reference for exposure and white balance. So you choose your reference image carefully, you will match all others to it. First, run camera raw or auto tone and observe the exposure, contrast, temp, and tint values. These are your starting numbers. Next, create adjustment layers, curves, levels, and color balance, and tweak them until the reference looks natural. Once balanced, save those adjustments as a preset or note exact slider values, because you will apply them to the batch, so the group maintains consistent color and tone. Now you apply the saved preset or paste the adjustment layers to each file, converting layers to smart objects when possible so you can tweak non-destructively. You should then inspect each image and refine locally with mask-based dodging, burning, or selective color adjustments. Subtle local fixes prevent a one-size-fits-all look. If you notice unexpected color shifts, make sure profiles match, recalibrate your monitor, and reapply the reference values. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes most inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.